Common maintenance management strategies. Outlined below are the more widely used maintenance management strategies, as well as their pros and cons and situations when they are best applied. Typically we see plants employing either run to failure, only fix after a breakdown, or preventive maintenance, on a predetermined schedule. However, depending on the value of the asset or its criticality in the plant's operations, we may see this strategy escalated to predictive or even RCM-based maintenance.